Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I'm about to start dinner and I thought I'd bring you along with me. I took some twice baked potatoes that I made, put them in the freezer, and then they're in the oven heating up. 350 degree oven, about 40 minutes or so. So they've been in there probably half hour now. But these are some of those $5 steaks that I showed you when we did our grocery haul. We're going to cook them today. Yeah, they're beautiful. They're beautiful. Now, they're not always $5, so you have to get them when you can. And he said he sold out pretty quick, so I'm glad we got there early. And but y'all, look at these. I got a piece of paper on my finger. I don't want that on my steak. Look at these steaks, y'all. Look at there. You can't get a prettier piece of meat. They're just gorgeous. I'm going to cut that off right there. And that's going to be it. Looky here. Now, what I want to do, I want to season these up. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Then we'll get our skip. You know what? No, let's do it. It won't take long to get hot. I'm using the blend. And I'm going to use this is Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. I love this stuff, y'all. So, I don't want to spoon it out. I want to shake it out. I ought to be careful there. I almost opened the wrong end. So, let's sprinkle this on here. Y'all, be generous. You have got to season that meat. Now, we're going to flip it over and do the other side. And we're going to put some of this Buttery Steakhouse on it. You know, and I keep this over here on these shelves. You can't see them by my stove. So they're there and I see them when I'm cooking. So it invites me to use them. We like the Montreal steak seasoning also. But we have just become to really, really enjoy this Buttery Steakhouse. And I love the blend. Okay, so I'm going to season that other side after I get it in my pan. So what I want to do is I'm going to move my eyes up here. It's heavy. My eye, and I've got my big 12-inch skillet, y'all, because I want these steaks to have room to cook. I don't want to crowd them because they won't brown up the way I want them to. They'll just sit there and steam. They'll get gray, and I don't want a piece of gray meat. I've told you about that before. Okay, so we've got our little eye here. And so what I want to do is I'm going to, turn it on first, Karen. And I'm going to put it on temperature, but I want to cut that temperature down. And I'm going to heat it up. I'm going to put some olive oil in the skillet. I don't need a whole lot of olive oil. If I need more, I can put it in there. But I just want to get it heated up. And if we need to put these in the oven, we will. But I think I'll get them pretty much done like I like, and he'll eat right here in this skillet. So, yeah, we've got the slaw, we've got our potatoes in here, we've got this steak. I don't think we need anything else, do y'all? And I made some dessert earlier, but you'll see that in a separate video. It's all going to be good. Y'all, it does not take long to get hot. Now I'm going to use this little piece of fat that I cut off and put in here, and it'll tell me when this skillet is really good and hot. And y'all, it's sizzling already. Can y'all hear that sizzle? Looky there. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. I think we're going to go ahead and put our steaks in. Now I'm going to put them seasoned side down. Hear that? You want to hear that sizzle, because if you don't, that means your pan is not hot enough. Hey, Pop.
Hello.
He's hungry. I told him, I said, I'm going to cook supper. He says, when's lunch? So let's get this side seasoned up. Yeah, that is smelling already. I'm just taking my hand and just pressing in that seasoning. I am going to take a second and wash my hands, y'all. This is part of those, I told y'all, the $5 steaks.
What you got cooking good looking?
These are some of those $5 steaks that we bought.
Bigger than I thought. Hi, everybody.
Honestly, I don't think, and I'm going to take that one right there. They're supposed to be the same size, but it looks smaller. And I don't think I'll be able to eat it all.
Need to.
Well, we got baked potatoes to go with
Yeah.
it and slaw. So by the time I eat all of that,
Yeah.
I just don't think I will. But if I don't, you know what we can do with it. We can make a steak sandwich tomorrow.
That's right.
What have you been doing? It has been raining this afternoon.
Sitting on the porch with a kitty cat, Patchy. It's been storming bad. It hasn't quit raining yet. It's been raining for hours.
No, the weather radio went off earlier. He was outside actually cutting some grass, and it's so hot. And
It's cooled off now.
a little bit.
Yeah.
But the weather radio went off, and it was telling about thunderstorms. So he had put his lawnmower up and come inside, and it wasn't 20 minutes. He had been inside, and the bottom fell out. And it,
Tina, if you're watching, I got the shirt on you, baby.
he likes this shirt. He wears it a lot.
Yeah, it's time for you to make me another one. I got a little spot on it here and here.
She'll make you one. Oh, look here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, looky there. If I can get this held around, look at that. It's not as dark as it looks on the camera. Uh-oh. Looky there. I think I will have to put these in the oven
That
to
smells
finish them
good,
off.
yeah.
Because that's a little thicker than, I like mine medium. I like it really medium to medium rare. And he likes his medium to the medium well.
Yeah.
I'll get it out.
Somewhere in there.
Yeah, I'll get it right in a minute.
Somewhere in
But
there.
you knew what I was trying to say.
Yeah.
They did. But he'll eat it however I fix it for him. But yeah, this smells, if you could just smell it. I just wanted you to see these steaks while we were cooking them. And I want you to see his reaction when he tastes one. We haven't had a steak in a while, have we?
I may go ahead and do it now. No. kidding.
Honestly, when we were doing the grocery haul, we told y'all we got these for $5, but normal pricing, y'all know how much and how expensive groceries are. So take advantage of these sales that in your local grocery stores. And I'm like him. I'm smelling this, and now I'm getting so hungry.
Smells so good. Well, if you want to put it in the oven, there'll be a little bit. Won't be too long.
It's not going to be long. I wanted to get this brown on that side, and I think it's ready. Let's turn this off.
Okay.
And if you will, seasoning stuck a little bit on that, but that's okay. Let me get a pot holder, a hot pad for you, if you don't mind. And I'm going to scoop these potatoes over. Y'all can't see me, but
ready?
I'm ready.
How's that look?
Look at that.
Most people would eat them like they are right now. Like you.
Yeah, kind of.
It's close.
It's close. But we get those cooked. And we're going to come back. And we're going to have all of this pulled together. And we're going to show you what our meal looks like.
See you later.
I know you're ready to eat.
In a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Can I ask you?
Of course, for y'all, it won't be but for a second.
Yeah. Yeah. Before we go, though, on this, I want to ask y'all, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit the notification button. You know, it looks like I've got a glare on my face. There we go.
Yeah.
Hit the notification button so you'll know when we put out another video. I still got to get him a bell. I hadn't. And
You gotta do what?
get you a bell.
A bell?
A bell so you can hit the notification bell.
I'm running out in the yard and ring the big one.
He's got a big bell. That was his grandfather's. But yeah, and I want to show you too. Go out and look at our cookbooks. You got volume 1, volume 2. They're on sale right now.
They're on sale. You just said that, didn't you?
I did. That's okay.
I'll say again. They're on sale right now.
$20 or $35 for two.
Yeah.
And it don't matter. You can have 2 of each one or 1 of each one.
Yeah.
But we have accessories too. Towel, like a kitchen towel. We have
A mitt.
an oven mitt, a hot pad, our mugs, y'all. We use our coffee mug every single day. It is just
These towels are
amazing.
big.
Yes, they are big.
They got a pretty picture on them.
Now,
too.
somebody had asked me what they're made of. They are polyester.
Yeah.
It's a polyester blend,
It's big.
but they're just they're just amazing. So let us get this finished up. It's not going to take 5 minutes in that oven for those steaks to finish up. I'm going to clear this away, get us out a plate, and we'll be back with you, okay? Our steaks are ready. I know you're hungry. Okay, so hey, hold your plate over here. You got to have some butter on that steak. There you go.
That's not much butter.
You want some more butter?
No, it's fine. I was kidding with you.
Okay, and a twice baked potato, and I want some of this coleslaw. And all that good seasoning we put on there. My goodness gracious.
Smells good.
Yeah, it does, don't it? Yeah.
I'm waiting on you.
Oh, and mine is just a perfect doneness. Is yours?
It is. That's so good.
That is delicious.
I don't need any steak sauce.
No,
Not with that.
that seasoning, but that's a good cut of meat. A good piece of meat.
It is.
It has to start there, y'all. It's got to be a good piece of meat. And we have always said, and I stand by it, salt and pepper is all you need. Salt and pepper.
You can add. You can add.
But we like this salt. The blend is salt, pepper, garlic. And then I added that buttery steakhouse seasoning to it. And it's just so good. I want to try this twice baked potato. And I didn't put any butter on my potato.
Does that mean you need it twice?
Probably. We've still got a bunch in the freezer. I made a bunch of these. I had an excess of potatoes. And I didn't want them to go bad. So y'all think about stuff like that. If you got vegetables or things that you don't want to lose that are getting on their last leg, do something with them. Put them in the freezer or can them. Oh, potato. Let's try that potato.
Potato's delicious.
Is it?
Really, really is.
We could have put some extra cheese on top.
Nah, it's great like it is. And it's good, though. Isn't it?
That's a good potato.
Tasty.
I think it's better because it's been in the freezer. It's set and it married and all those little ingredients said, ooh, let's make a happy
Let's
family.
get together.
Yeah, they made a happy family. Y'all, okay, we're going to go and we're going to eat our steak, our slaw, and our potato.
Thank you for joining us.
I probably should have made him 2 potatoes.
I'd eat it if you did.
I'm glad y'all were here with us. And wish we had extra steak. Y'all could enjoy it with us. We should have cooked an extra one.
The store we bought it at, I think they sold 2,700 from the time they opened yesterday till 11-ish. That's a lot of steaks.
They ran out. So I'm glad we got there when we did.
He said he'd have more next time.
Yeah. We got up early and went. Glad. I'm happy. But people were like us and they were buying lots. But you can't get ribeyes for $5. Anyway, and they're delicious. Thanks for joining us. And thanks for being with us as we try our dinner. We're going to go sit down together at the table and eat and just talk. I've been busy doing things. He's been busy doing things, so we can just get our chance to talk while we eat. But anyway, y'all, please come back and visit with us because we certainly enjoy having you here. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you'll know when we put out another video. Thanks again, everybody. We'll see you soon.
Bye-bye.